It has happened now twice. Twice a person has gone up the volcano, he claimed the volcano, gone to see what is inside. This has happened twice, and both cases he escaped. Once was around in May or early June that the man went, actually the lava was running toward him. He went and he escaped later. Now the second time, this man went there up the volcano, looking down the volcano as if looking for something. We know that who is this person. Our viewers have given a hint. This is Tom Cruise going having a mission from Church of Scientology to check if the volcano has the God inside it. Is this the place, abode of the God of this Church of Scientology? He has maybe landed from another planet there, hiding there in the heat. Yeah, they live in the bath of the hot lava.
Just after
That's
that,
the environment
what he saw was interesting. He saw the eruption coming to him.
Was the man who ran out of the climbed down the volcano. He was the man.